Hello everyone, this is Sai Prasad from Hearing Healthcare Clinic, Bangalore. Today I'll be showing you some of the important protective equipments before we attend a patient post-COVID. So firstly, I would suggest everybody to make sure you wear hand gloves. So once you wear the hand gloves, make sure you are using the hand sanitizer. So once you use the hand sanitizer, then for better protection, it's always better we use a face shield. The face shield makes sure that we do not infect a patient, rather receive an infection from the patient. So what next? After you have personally protected yourself, we are going to proceed on the testing part of it. Let it be an audiometry or a hearing aid fitting. So I'm going to talk to you about the audiometry. So generally, conventionally, we are doing the audiometry in a booth. So I'm going to show you something called KuduWave. KuduWave is the world's first portable boothless audiometer, and this is used to prevent cross contamination, and the audiometry can be done in an open air. So this is it. So this is the headphone. So this is called KuduWave. We have right left indicators, and this comes with a earbud and ear tip. So these ear tips are disposable ones. Make sure you're not going to repeat it for every patient. So this is going to be connected to the computer. It is a software driven program. This cable is 1.5 meters to make sure we are having distance from the patient. So with my next video, I'll be coming and showing you more technical specifications about the KuduWave audiometer. Thank you everybody.